What's up, folks? It's your boy James R. Davis Sr. coming to you with a real quick, real crypto talk because I want to follow up with the recent article that I did not finish reading. I'm going to finish reading it, but on today's headline news, I mentioned in the headlines in the last recording, but I want to go deeper into the story. So let's jump into it. India to reportedly propose cryptocurrency ban penalizing miners and traders. Key points. India will propose a law banning cryptocurrencies, fining anyone trading in the country or even holding such digital assets, a senior government official told Reuters. The bill, one of the world's strictest policies against cryptocurrencies, would criminalize the possession, issuance, mining, trading, and transferring crypto assets, said the official, who has direct knowledge of the plan. The measure is in line with the January government agenda that called for banning private virtual currencies such as Bitcoin while building a framework for an official digital currency. India, and this is basically the same thing that I just read, pretty much. India will propose a law banning cryptocurrencies, finding anyone trading in the country or even holding such digital assets. A senior government official told Reuters in a potential blow to millions of investors piling into the red hot asset class. The bill, one of the world's strictest policies against cryptocurrencies, would criminalize possession, issuance, mining, trading, and transferring crypto assets, said the official, who has direct knowledge of the plan. The measure is in line with the January government agenda that called for banning private virtual currencies such as Bitcoin while building a framework for a official digital currency. But recent government comments had raised investors' hopes that the authorities might go easier on the booming market. Instead, the bill would give holders of cryptocurrencies up to 6 months to liquidate, after which penalties will be levied, said the official, who asked not to be named as the contents of the bill are not public. Officials are confident of getting the bill enacted into law as Prime Minister Narendra Modi's government holds a comfortable majority in parliament. If the ban becomes law, India will be the first major economy to make holding cryptocurrency illegal. Even China, which has banned mining and trading, does not penalize possession. The finance ministry did not immediately respond to an email seeking comment. Greed over panic. Bitcoin, the world's biggest cryptocurrency, hit a record high $60,000 on Saturday, nearly doubling in value. Double. It means double twice, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, times two. All right. Anyway, nearly doubling in value this year, and its acceptance for payments has increased with support from such high profile backers as Tesla CEO Elon Musk. In India, despite government threats from a ban, transaction volumes were swelling and 8 million investors now hold 100 billion rupees, 1.4 billion in crypto investments, according to industry estimates. No official data is available. And I mean, if they do, let me go ahead and read it. Let me read it. The money, the money is multiplying rapidly each month, and you don't want to be sitting on the sideline, says Sanish Salodkar, a crypto investor. Even though people are panicking due to the potential ban, greed is driving these choices. And I'm just going to say one word: dictatorship. As I live in life and read, and I'm a history buff. I love looking back at real history, not what the fuck they told us in school and what we were taught. You know, I am really amazed at all the lies that people, that culture embedded into the fiber of my being growing up. You know, all these different ideas and thought processes and belief systems that was imposed upon me in my developing stages of my mind. I mean, just think about that. And then growing up and finally start digging deeper and discovering that a lot of different things. For an example, I remember the day I figured out that, man, Santa Claus ain't even fucking real. You know how disappointing that is as a kid to use your common sense and think about it and be like, wait a minute, we live in some fucking apartments. We ain't got no damn chimney. How the fuck he gonna come? Anyway, so I just, why would you have the appearance that something is illegal when it's thriving and it's the first time in human history that people can truly access wealth from their phones? Why would you cut people off from that? I, it just blows my mind. It infuriates me. I'm a competitor. I'm cut from a different cloth. And when I see stuff like that, when I see people that, you hurt people, you're hurting people. When you do shit like this, it's just insane, man. It's insane. Because everybody don't have the resources to just up and leave your fucking country. You know, let me keep it moving. I'm good, guys. I really want you guys to know I'm good. Because sometimes we getting calls like, dude, you all right? I'm like, yeah, some of you guys don't know my passion. Some of you guys have never seen me speak on stage. So, hey, you just wouldn't know, man, how intense I get when I speak about things I believe in and truly impact other people, man. I care about people. This shit impacts other people, temporarily anyway, because you motherfuckers keep going back and forth and back and forth. Let me keep it moving. The money is multiplying rapidly every month. You don't want to be on the sidelines, folks. The user registrations and the money inflows at local crypto exchange Bitums are up 30-fold from a year, said G. Dehake, its chief executive. UnoCoin, one of India's oldest exchanges, added 20,000 users in January and February, despite worries of a ban. ZebPay did as much volume per day in February 2021 as we did in all of February 2020, said Vikram Rangala, the chief executive marketing officer. Top Indian officials have called cryptocurrency a Ponzi scheme, but France Minister Nirmala Sartharaman this month eased some investors' concerns. I can only give you this clue that we're not closing our minds. We are looking at ways in which experiments can happen in the digital world and in cryptocurrency, she told the TV station. There will be a very calibrated position taken. The senior official of Rutgers, however, that the plan is to ban private crypto assets while promoting blockchain, a secure database technology that is the backbone for virtual currencies, but also a system that experts say could revolutionize international transactions. And yes, it can, and it will, and it is. We don't have a problem with the technology. There's no harm in harnessing the technology, she said, the official, adding the government's moves will be calibrated, quote unquote, and the extent of the penalties of those who did not liquidate crypto assets within the law's grace period. Jail terms? Question mark. A government panel of 2019 recommended jail of up to 10 years on people who mine, generate, wholesale, transfer, dispose of, issue, or deal in cryptocurrencies. The official declined to say whether the new bill includes jail terms as well as fines or offer further details, but said the discussions were in their final stages. In March 2020, India's Supreme Court struck down a 2018 order by the central bank forbidding banks from dealing in cryptocurrencies, prompting investors to pile into the market. The court ordered the government to take a position and draft a law on the matter. They told them, no, you can't block these folk. Y'all need to get together and make some sense of this stuff, man. You can't stop people from doing that. The Supreme Court did this now, right? They keep going back and forth. The Reserve Bank of India voiced its concern again last month, citing what it said were risks to financial stability from cryptocurrencies. At the same time, the central bank has been working on launching its own digital currency, a step the governor's bill would also encourage, said the official. Despite the market euphoria, investors are aware that the boom could be in danger. If the ban is official, we have to comply. Namish Sanghati, who started betting on digital currencies in the last year, told Rutgers, referring to existing concerns about a potential ban. Until then, I'd rather stack up and run with the market than panic and sell. That's what he says. It's crazy, man. Absolutely insane. In the headline news, or the big news for today, Bitcoin is now worth, meanwhile, right. Meanwhile, Bitcoin is now worth more than Visa and Mastercard combined. First of all, they're shooting themselves in the foot from tax revenue. Man, they. Anyway, the largest cryptocurrency has recently beat the world's three biggest banks by market cap, data confirms. Bitcoin did more than hit $60,000 a coin last week. It also became worth more than the world's three biggest banks combined, according to publicly available data. The largest cryptocurrency surpassed the three highest valued global banking giants by market capitalization, guys. This is insane. Why would you cut off that? You see what I'm saying? Bitcoin market cap blast past financial stalwarts. At its all-time high of 61,700, Bitcoin's market cap was roughly 1.15 trillion. The combined market cap of JP Morgan Chase, Bank of America, and the Industrial Commercial Bank of China is 1.8 trillion. The achievements do not stop there. Visa and Mastercard, the biggest payment networks, have combined market cap of 871 billion, also now significantly less than Bitcoin. Since then, BTC USD has seen a slight pullback, bringing its market cap down to $1.03, $1.03 trillion. Still holding the significant trillion-dollar asset title. That level was previously tipped by an analyst as a likely consolidated zone, something that remains the case after Monday's dip took Bitcoin back below its previous all-time high set late in February. Its ascent, others have noted, is impressive. Bitcoin went from 0 to 1 trillion in network value 3.6 times faster than Microsoft, for an example. Hot on gold heels. Analyzing the market cap data on chain analysis resource, Econometrics added that as of Saturday, Bitcoin equal 45% of the gold held in investment vehicles and 10% of the physical gold market as a whole. To eclipse gold entirely, something that is already a topic of debate. Been telling you guys, among market participants, BTC would need to trade at $590,000, as Telegram reported. Meanwhile, both Visa and MasterCard are coming to terms with the need to incorporate. Can't beat them, you might as well join them, baby. Bitcoin in their corporate strategies going forward. See, and when you total up, guys, the world, the global, it's, man, you're talking about quadrillions in money terms. I'm talking about like everything, include everything. It's gonna get sick, folks. I can see Bitcoin going to 1 million, 10 million. It's just me. Like, share, subscribe. Turn on post notifications. I'm not your financial advisor. Take care, folks. Talk to y'all soon.